Hi, boys and girls. We're going to write lowercase f. It is page 4, and I hope you're going to really pay attention. You ready? Lowercase f starts under the red line. You have to start under the red line or you don't get a curve. Under the red line. It's like at 2 o'clock on a clock, down under it, and then you go up to red. Please start on the top. Do not start on the bottom and go up. So you start on the dot, which is below the red line. You're going to go up to red and curve a little, but as soon as you start to come down, you're going to go straight down to green. So there's just a little curve at the top and then straight down. And then after you get to green, you're going to frog jump to yellow and put just a little line all the way across the line you drew. So it looks like lowercase t. It's a lowercase t that has a curve on the top. So you cross on yellow just like you did with lowercase t. But you have to start on top. Do not start on the bottom. So 2 o'clock under the red line, up to red, go across red a little bit and curve. But as you start coming down, make sure you go nice and straight and then cross on yellow. Okay, let's do that again. Up to red, curve a little bit on top, and as you come down, make sure you go straight down and cross on yellow. Okay, this is what I don't want them to look like. First of all, please do not start on the green line and go up and curve. No, 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 no. I do not want them to look like that. And I do not want them to start on green. Now, you need to make sure that you really start below the red line. If you start on the red line, you don't have much of a curve at the top. It needs to curve down like a candy cane. You're making a candy cane. So it needs to start under the red line, not on top of the red line. Okay? And I need you to make sure you touch red. One more. It should not look like we're not coming down like this. Don't curve as soon as you start. Make sure you go up to red and then curve down. Okay? Up to the red line and then curve down. So we don't want any of those. We want them to look like those. On the bottom row, remember you have capital, lowercase, capital, lowercase. Your capital dot is going to start on the red line. So remember you start on red, go to green, frog jump back to red, straight across yellow, just a little bit. Lowercase f, start on the dot, go up to red, curve, straight down, and cross all the way across the yellow line. Both sides of your straight stick get the cross. So you're actually crossing the line you made. This one, you're going out to the right of it. And then you're going to have another capital, lowercase, and one more set of capital, lowercase, after you trace the ones on the bottom. So when you get to the bottom, you trace capital, lowercase, trace again, and then you're going to write capital, lowercase, capital, lowercase, capital, lowercase, 3 times by yourself. Take your time. Little curve, but you go up to the red to get that curve, up and around, and then straight down. Be careful. You also want to make sure that your line does not slant to the side. That line coming down needs to come down straight, not slanted. So take your time making lowercase f. It does take a little longer than capital F. And when you cross, make sure you cross all the way across the line you made on the yellow. Take your time. I can't wait to see them. And don't forget, circle your best lowercase f when you're all finished. Just one. You got to find the very best one. Bye. I'll see you in just a minute.